My name's Tom Brace. I've just finished performing Tossed Out Humanity on stage. Brilliant, absolutely love it, hilarious. It's going in my set.
The Vice President of the Magic Circle, the one and only Mr. Lee Hathaway. If I said to a card you answer, please sit down now. I'm Lee Hathaway, and this is Tossed Out Humanity. And I'm Paul, and this is an easy-to-do, fun, slightly cheeky 10-minute routine inspired by Cards Against Humanity that we both perform all of the time. 3 question cards are chosen, 3 answers are selected, and somehow you read the minds of the audience and reveal them in one perfectly timed, hilarious combination. Now, it absolutely smashes every single time. You're going to get big laughs, huge reactions, and a killer ending. The game cards are genuinely shuffled and checked, and the specially made gimmick we provide in the box literally does all the work for you. You get everything you need inside here to turn any Cards Against Humanity set into 10 minutes of pure comedy magic gold. It's tight, it's proven, and it hits hard. All yours now.
If I got your answers and questions right, please sit down now. Yeah.